take a look at what we were thinking as far as the U.S. economy about a month ago. It looked like the U.S. was just going to have this amazing summer driving season. You're going to see the U.S. consumer go out and try to make up for missed vacation time, maybe double up on vacations, and you are going to have the international story improve. There was this belief that international travel was really starting to pick up, and it was because the rest of the world was finally getting their fair share of vaccines. And what's happened is we have, unfortunately, the Delta variant has really posed a big hurdle for the rest of the world. And even in some parts of unvaccinated states, you're seeing cases, strongly rise. And it's complicating the question as far as, well, how strong will these next few months be from the U.S. consumer in the U.S. economy, and also inflationary pressures. I think we're so fixated on, okay, the Fed has finally signaled that they're ready to start talking about tapering purchases. And once they do start to make that official and have the announcement that they're going to taper, then the countdown comes as far as when will interest rates rise. And right now, I think there's this lively debate as far as whether or not inflation is transitory or persistent. And what's been happening on Wall Street is you've seen the market go from cyclical rotation trade to growth stocks, and in that's really confused the move in the Dow Jones Industrial and also the S&P 500. Now it looks like we hit peak. We already peaked in March, and so the markets really have lots of different driving forces. So that's why you don't have a whole lot of conviction behind these moves. And still, there's tremendous amount of froth in the market. There's lots of pockets that need to come, back to reality. And right now, foreign investors, though, when you take a look at their situation, U.S. stocks still look very attractive, and that's why you still see any dip is immediately being bought. So that's why we're it seems like we're making a fresh record high, going up 1/10 of a percentage point, on a regular basis. But it's been a very choppy market, and right now I think you're going to probably see, until we have further clarity from the Fed, and also as far as the global growth outlook, it's going to be probably a very choppy market.